then. This is actually a follow-up video of a previous video we already did on this car. This is a 1965 Austin Mini Cooper. But since the last video, before we ship it to our friend John in Jacksonville, Florida, we did a lot. First of all, we got rid of that wacky I Did It tilt steering column, and now this feels like a Mini. This is correct. We did one of our steering drops. We got the wheel in the proper position. This feels pretty good. So that's just one of the quirks and features of what we have accomplished here. But let's go for a drive, and I'll talk about some of the things that we did as we go for a ride. So let's go check it out, right? All right. Oh, before we get going, I'm going to take my phone out of my pocket and check out this cool phone holder that John sent us. He said, hey, can you put a phone holder in it before you ship it to me? And he says, I'll mail it to you. So he did. Look at that. That's cool. Here we go. There's that Cooper S3 Synchro straight cut first gear. Oh, second gear? No, he's gone. How about that? There, I slipped it into first, just about at a stop without grinding. So, the biggie thing that we did was we got rid of the old dashboard and we installed a new all white, not magnolia, but white gauges that I've been hoarding for years. These are brand new Smith's gauges. The speedometer, the oil pressure, the water temperature, and the tachometer, all in matching white. Now, since this car is going to Florida, man, is that fitting. The color of this car, I don't know if it's seafoam green or what you want to call it, but it's beautiful. It's a great color. With the white gauges, just reminds me of that 80s Art Deco pastel bright colors, Miami Vice, Florida. I mean, this car is going to fit in so well in the beautiful state of Florida. I'm so excited for you, John. This is a cool car. Beautiful colors. We put in this wood rim steering wheel, polished spokes with the holes, not the slots. A brand new Mark I turn signal switch with the indicator lamp in the end of the bulb or the end of the stock. Super cool stuff. And watch, it should cancel. See if we did it right. Oh, it's the little things that make me so happy in these cars. So, let's give it a little squirt. Ooh, John, this car's fast. Don't get a speeding ticket. Try not to. I'd say from 0 to 100, nothing beats a hopped up Mini. Probably the most fun cars out there that you can have without going to jail. In the state of Oregon, if you go over 100 miles an hour, the police officers do have the authority to take the car and put you in, well, in jail. So don't go over 100. Try not to. All right, some of the more cool quirks and features that we added to this car. We put a KAD rear sway bar. Those things are fantastic. I took a couple seconds off of my autocross times when I started installing the KAD sway bars. Another really cool thing that we did to this car is we put the bronze Mini Light style wheels on it. These are 6x10 deep dish bronze. Again, with that whole theme that I felt like this car's going to Florida, it has to have that really cool color, the white gauges, the bronze wheels, the wood steering wheel. Again, we're starting to check all the boxes here. We also did a short shift or quick shift kit. I don't think it's any quicker. I think it's shorter. They call it a quick shift, but I prefer to call it a short shift. It does reduce the amount of throw considerably. And we went with the stock shift knob, but in alloy. Another thing we did was we put the Hella H4 headlamp housings in. The Hella housings I really like. They have sort of a flat nose to them. They're not round. They're flat. And then we put the LED bulbs in them. Very, very bright. I love the LED bulbs and the Hella housings. Probably my favorite style. And they work. So here we are. John, I hope you're looking forward to getting your Mini. This thing is awesome. 1965 Austin Mini Cooper with a big motor, a cool transmission, disc brakes, all the fun stuff, and this remarkable new white gauge interior. I hope you like it. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Got my phone.